Good morning to all of you. Welcome back to A to Z Healthcare channel. We are exploring the fascinating world of green tea and its incredible health benefits today. This is the ideal site for you if you are looking for natural ways to improve your health. Just take a sit back, get a cup of green tea, and let's begin. Benefit number 1. Manage and prevent type 2 diabetes. Green tea may help control and avoid type 2 diabetes. Antioxidants in green tea may lessen insulin resistance. According to some research, your cells will respond to insulin less readily than normal if you have insulin resistance. The hormone insulin aids in the process by which your cells turn sugar into energy. Type 2 diabetes is largely predisposed to insulin resistance. Benefit number 2. Reduce stress and anxiety. L-theanine and amino acids found in green tea helps you relax by reducing tension and anxiety. When it comes to L-theanine content, green tea suppresses black, oolong, and white tea. According to research, taking 200 to 400 mg of L-theanine per day can help lower tension and anxiety. Benefit number 3. Lower stroke risk. One of the main causes of adult disability and death in the United States is stroke. Green tea consumption has been linked to a lower risk of stroke. According to research, drinking modest volumes of green tea, or roughly 17 to 34 ounces per day, may help lower your risk of stroke by at least 21%, according to a 2023 study. Benefit number 4. Reduce blood pressure. Green tea may lower blood pressure, which may protect the heart. Studies have shown that consuming green tea dramatically lowers blood pressure, especially in those who are at high risk of heart disease. Due to its high antioxidant content, green tea has been found in research to potentially decrease blood pressure. These antioxidants enhance healthy blood flow by reducing inflammation and widening your blood vessels. Benefit number 5. Lower cholesterol. According to a 2020 review, drinking green tea can reduce total cholesterol and LDL bad cholesterol. The risk of heart attack and stroke is increased by excessive cholesterol, which affects nearly 2 out of every 5 persons in the US. Benefit number 6. Improve cognitive function. Green tea use may help guard against some neurodegenerative illness, such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. According to some research, antioxidants found in high concentration in green tea may offer protection against cell damage, which is increase the risk of chronic disorders. Benefit number 7. Acne cure. Its function is skincare is listed as the 7th. Not only can green tea shield the skin from UV rays, but it also helps minimize acne. Obtain the radiant complexion of your dreams. That's it for today's video. 7 wonderful health benefits of green tea. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.